everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Today I have a stitch fix, everybody's favorite. So stitch fix is the styling service that I started with when I first lost the weight back in 2018. I still go with it today. It's probably still my quote favorite service other than Front Door Fashion. But honestly, mainly why it's my favorite service is because of that styling pass and the fact that I do not have to pay for anything to get this box. So I can get as many boxes as I want, and if I don't like what I want, I just send it back in the mail. If you don't have the styling pass, I highly recommend you get it if they offer it to you. It is $20 per styling, and then you keep what you want, send back what you don't. And if you do keep anything, that $20 gets applied. Otherwise, you're out that $20. If they did not offer me that style pass, I would not be getting it. So let's open this box together. My stylist is also my fellow friend, Shannon from Shannon's Style. And let's see what I got in this bundle. I kind of know what I have because I can peek once I check out. But, you know, things always tend to surprise me when I get my little bundle. All right, so let's open this bundle. Oh, and already I'm kind of surprised. All right, so let's look at the invoice here. Already I am quite surprised. So the first thing that is sitting on top is this English Factory contrast stitch top in white, size extra small for $60, okay? So this is cute. I wasn't expecting to like this. So this is a white top with black contrast trim. It has the ruffled neck. It is a V front. And it feels, I mean, it feels like a little linen cotton. Let's see what the heck this is made out of. All right, I was not expecting this. I thought this was like polyester, but it's hand wash clothes, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. So you know it's going to go in the wash in a garment bag. 80% rayon, 20% nylon. Okay, yeah, so I'm pleasantly surprised by this top. So I said, what, $60? $60. So I'll try it on and see how it is. It looks cute right now. But yeah, it's better than what I saw in the preview. When I saw in the preview, I didn't like it. And now here, I like it. All right, the next item that I wasn't too thrilled about when I saw in the preview, but we'll give it a shot. The 9 Britton Jaleel Flutter Sleeve Knit Top, size extra small. It's only $36. It's just your basic black and beige top. It has cute little flutter sleeves. It has like a typical rounded neckline. It's not exciting me, to be honest, and it kind of looks kind of boxy, but we'll try it on. And this one is, let's talk about the fabric. 51% rayon, 45% nylon, 4% spandex, machine wash, cold, gentle cycle with light colors, line dry, warm iron if needed, okay? It's a soft little knit top. It's cute, but it's just not thrilling me. Okay, next up, something that I saw from the preview and it caught my eye. I kind of like these. These are the Democracy Absolution Sky Rise, double button, and then it goes off in indigo, size 0 for $68, which is a lot for shorts, to be honest with you. But that's a possibility. So these are like a dressier trouser type of short, all right? And I was thinking I can kind of use something like this, something that looks a little bit nicer and a little bit more elevated. It has the flat pockets that are fake here in the back, and it has the slash pockets in front, and it has some seaming or stitching here down the front. These do not feel cotton. Let's see what these are. These do feel polyester-ish, but they're thin. But let's see what they are. 47% polyester, 44% rayon, 5% spandex, 4% other. All right, I'll try them on, see how they fit. They do have the Absolution waistband to them and the double button here in front, and we'll try them on and see how they look. Not too thrilled about the material in those. Okay, now next up, and these kind of confused me by the name. These are the Liverpool Kelsey knit trouser. And I'm trying to figure out why they're calling these a knit. They did not look like a knit from the picture, and they don't feel like a knit here either. They do not feel like a ponte knit at all. To me, they're like a, I don't know. I don't know what the heck these are, but let me read you the what they're made out of, so you maybe can come to the conclusion. 53% cotton, 44% viscose, 3% elastane, and they're calling them knit. I don't call them knit. These are a size 25 or petite or zero petite. Are they Stitch Fix exclusive? No, they're not a Stitch Fix exclusive. And then the name on here is going straight twill. And I would agree that they're more of a twill than a knit. I'm not sure why they're calling them a knit here. And the price of these are $98. I can tell you now, I mean, they're nice and everything. I just have no use for these. You know, I just can't justify them. Even no matter how well they fit, I just can't really use a pair of pants like this right now. I'm so casual. I'm wearing my jeans. When the summer comes around, I'll be wearing my shorts. Those are just like too dressed up for my lifestyle these days. And even though I do dress up, I just rather wear jeans. And lastly is a pair of shoes that I actually had pinned on my inspiration board. I was very excited she found these. And these are the Dolce Vita Emol heel in taupe size 7. All right. Now, when I just took it out, there's like a little scuff on it here because I just throw it in the bag. I guess it's fine. I can just rub it out with my finger. But they kind of have like these grommets here that are the same color, and they got that nice thick heel, cushion footbed, and I'm really into the mules. Do I need these? No. But you know what I did today? I kind of cleaned out my closet a little, got rid of a few pairs of shoes, kind of made some room for some more. I think it was kind of in the back of my head that I wanted these. Yeah, I do want these. I do like these, but I really don't need them. So we're gonna try them on, see how they do, and I'll make the determination from there because these are quite pricey at $160. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, so I have the first two things on. The jeans are my own, and I put on the 9 Britton top. And I have to admit, this is cuter than I thought. So I think this is an adorable little top. It's affordable. I think I said it was $36. It has the Flutter sleeves. It's perfectly comfortable. Is my heart going to break if I send it back? And the answer is no. So I do like it, but I just don't have to have it. All right, I'm going to pan down because I don't think you can see my shoes because that's the other item that I have on. These are a very comfortable mule. I am going to play a little closet with them to see if I need them in my life. I love them. I'm big into mules this season because I'm just lazy that way. So these are like a dark taupe color. And I can see wearing these in the fall due to the color. My toes do peek out. Do I need shoes? God knows I don't need shoes. Do I need these? No. But if I can look in my closet and see what else I have, if I can justify them, I might actually keep them because they are quite cute. All right. And I think I might be sad if I sent them back. So here are the shoes. And again, here's the top. And give me a minute and I'll try on the next pieces. Okay, so I just came back from playing a little closet and I'm kind of sad, but kind of relieved at the same time. I love these shoes, all right? These shoes are great. I love them a lot, but they're $160, and I played a little closet, and I got these, all right? So these are pretty much the same color, different style with the heel. I get that, but they're still pretty much the same color. They're taupe. Then I also have these. Yes, different style, very strappy, high up, has a heel, not a mule. Get it? But the same color, all right? Then I have these that I just got, all right, which are more a nude color, but they're a mule, all right? So between the similar neutral colors and the fact that I already have a pair in taupe, I think I'm gonna have to send these back. I really do like them. Thank you, Shannon, for sending them for me. They're gorgeous, but I mean, I just, at some point I have to say, enough, Carolyn, you got enough, you know what I'm saying? It's too duplicative of what I already own, all right? So with that, let me move on to this adorable blouse from English Factory. When I saw this in the preview, I thought it was a polyester blouse, and you know, it had the ruffle neck. I didn't realize it was a V-neck here in front either. Oh, there is a button to it. Well, I have this on the right way, or do I have this on backwards? Okay, Carolyn has this on backwards. Give me a minute. Haha, I think I like that on backwards instead. Alrighty, Carolyn. So the front has this high collar, but you can see there's plenty of room. There is a button in back, which I did not realize, is just why I had it on. There is a seam going down the back, and that's why it kind of looks ridiculous. You see there's pleating here in the front, so you can't really wear this backwards. It needs to be worn this way. It is still a cute top. I am going to think about it. I always can use white tops during the summer, and this is a very breathable fabric, and I think it can go either way. Dress it down or dress it up. The shorts, I like them in concept. I hate the material. This reminds me of my mother's shorts she wore in the 1970s. There's polyester in them, and they feel like polyester. You know, they definitely have that polyester feeling on them. I don't like that. Yucky. You know, it's like, ooh, you know, I can wear a polyester top, but these really feel like a pair of 1970s polyester shorts. So no, these are going to go back. They have the front pockets here in front. They fit fine. I think maybe the pockets are poking out a little bit on me. I'm not 100% positive. They got the faux pockets here in the back with the flap on them, and they're comfortable. I like them except for the fabric. If these were more of a cotton feel, I'd be into them, but they definitely have that polyesterish feel. All right, give me a minute, and I have the pants to try on. Okay, so last up I have on the Liverpool pants, and I have to comment since I've seen so many YouTubers out there saying that don't wear capri pants, and these are the dreaded capris. I will wear a capri pants if I like them. I do like these, but I mean $98, and my wardrobe is bursting. The last thing I really need is any more clothes, so what I put in my wardrobe I really have to be extra picky on. And I just can't justify these pants right now. They are a mid-rise. They have the slash pockets here in the front, which I think are lined nice and flat. They have the faux pockets here and back. They're extremely soft and comfortable. I highly recommend these pants if you're looking for something like this. I think they fit me well. I love Liverpool, but I simply don't need anything else. So that is it. That was my fix. I mean, I thought it was a pretty good fix. I think everything was very nice. It's just to the point now where I'm limiting what I buy to have things that I absolutely love in my wardrobe. I'm considering this top because it is comfortable, breathable, loose, and it's something that could be dressed up when I have to look presentable but want to stay cool. So this top is a possibility. The shoes, I love the shoes. I just really cannot justify them based on what I already own. And pants, love them, can't justify them. The striped top I can do without. It's cute, it's nice. I don't need it. And the short material I just thought was pretty awful, to be quite frank. And that is it. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. And take care. Till next time.